Unraveling the Mystery of Hoax. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English term, hoax. It's a word you might have come across in news, social media, or in daily conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your sentences. Hoax is a noun. At its core, a hoax is a deceptive act or false claim made to trick people into believing something that isn't true. It's like a lie, but often bigger, and usually with a purpose to deceive many people or to gain attention. Example: the news about aliens landing in the city was a hoax. Someone made it up as a joke. People create hoaxes for various reasons. 1. For fun or prank. Some people enjoy seeing others get fooled. 2. Attention-seeking. By creating a sensational story, people might get a lot of attention. 3. To mislead or manipulate. Some hoaxes are created to cause panic, harm someone's reputation, or influence opinions. It's essential to distinguish between a hoax and a mistake. A hoax is intentional deception, whereas a mistake is an unintentional error. Example: if someone shared false information about a celebrity's death as a joke, it's a hoax. If someone mistakenly believed and shared that same information thinking it was true, it's a mistake. To help you incorporate this word into your vocabulary, here are some examples. 1. The email about winning $1 million is likely a hoax. 2. Many thought the painting was by a famous artist, but it turned out to be a hoax. 3. It's important to verify information before sharing it to avoid spreading hoaxes. There you have it, the intriguing world of the term hoax. Remember, in this era of information, it's always a good idea to double-check any surprising news or claims you come across. We hope this video sheds light on the meaning and usage of the word hoax. Keep learning and stay curious.